This will be a quick user guide on how to use a data visualizations project I've been building. So the project is completely free. You can download it from GitHub. I'll put the link in the description below. And here you'll also find installation instructions. So the very first step is to find some data that you're interested in from the Dataverse project. I'll put another link in the description. So say I found this and I'm interested in specifically this tabular data file. I can explore it using this button, which redirects me to TwoRavens, which is it's an analysis tool. And if I want to start visualizing it, I can go to my terminal, change directories to the project which I downloaded from GitHub, and then enter the data visualizations folder. And if you have a virtual environment wrapper, this is the time to activate it. And now all I need to do is run the Python script vistool.py, and we'll open this local host. So if I copy this into a new tab, it'll ask me for a TwoRavens URL. So if I want to start visualizing this data, I can copy this URL into this field, and it will take me to that. So this is the basic layout. On the left here, I have the variable names with some summary stats on the hover. Here I can view the data. This is fully searchable and sortable. And so this, by default, takes me to what I call preview mode. And the goal is to just try and understand the data a bit better. So when I click on variable names, it'll show me variations of density and bar charts and simple pie charts just to try and get an understanding of the data itself. And so once I feel I understand the data well enough, I can switch over to plotting mode here on this button. Oh, before I do that, whenever I'm in preview mode, I can view the metadata with these buttons, or the chart JSON data if I want to recreate this chart somewhere else. So now I can switch over to plotting mode, and it will redirect me to the tool itself. Here on the right, I have the plot options, and I still have the variables here. So say I want to make a bubble plot, I click it, and these fields will pop up, and I can drag the variables I want to plot into these fields, just like that. So say I want to plot this on the X and I don't know, this on the Y. It'll make a simple bubble plot. And these plots are zoomable. You can download them in many options, including PDF and SVGs. And I encourage you to just go and play around. There's some 3D plots. Some interesting variations of line charts, for example. This is, let's say, this is like a line chart, but the thickness represents the variability at any given point on the domain. And so that's the basic tool. My name is Tamir Bennatan. I'll be working on this project on my own time, so if you have any suggestions or questions, please email me. My email will be in the description again. Thank you for joining.